I'm going to tell you that there are a lot of ways to earn money online. One of those ways involved using Google Translator. This site is a completely free site. Thus, you can easily earn a lot of money without spending any capital for it. You can do this by following the easy steps that I will tell you about. You do not need to worry because this strategy does not require any skills or expertise. Again, this is completely free and it is available worldwide. Hence, you can start your own money-making journey wherever you are. Using this technique will allow you to make a lot of money. If you translate 2 files using Google Translate, then you can earn at least $100 to $150 online. If you can increase this into 4 files, you can actually make up to $450. Try translating 7 files and you will be able to get up to $700 online. See, there is a huge earning potential from this strategy. Thus, stay tuned and watch this video until the end to know more about this incredible hack. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. This strategy can be done using your phone or computer. Let me start by teaching you how you can utilize Google Translate to earn money online. The first thing that you need to do is to go to latium.org. The website's link is flashing on your screen, so look out. I will also teach you how you can join on this site. Aside from that, I will provide an explanation on how this site works. Just follow my instructions and you will be able to earn money online. Right now, there are a lot of earning opportunities on this site. Their rewards will offer you $500 to $3,000 depending on the work. As you can see, this site has a lot of different projects. You can browse them when you sign up. There are projects, jobs, and offers that you can take which will pay you from dollars to cryptocurrency. They also support PayPal and other payment methods. So, go ahead and look up for the Latium website. The first step that you need to do is to find a project. Then, you need to finish it. Once you are done, you just need to submit it through the Latium contract management system. After that, you will be able to earn money once they are done reviewing and approving your work. The payment will be released quickly and with no delays. Again, just go to latium.org. After that, I want you to click this button to get redirected to another page. In this page, make sure to input your first name, last name, email address, and unique password. Once you're able to sign up, on your dashboard, you will be able to see the Browse Projects button. You just need to press it. Then, the page will reload and it will show you all the jobs that you can do in order to get paid online. There are tons of projects that are available to you. You might get overwhelmed with wide assortment of projects. You might get confused and intimidated by the set of skills needed for the job. Well, you do not need to worry because you don't need to be an expert to do these tasks. You will just focus on the translation and language projects found on the top left corner of the screen. There are lots of translation and language projects on this site. As you can see, a client might give you Hindi articles. Then you will be assigned to translate these articles into English. Again, you will get paid for doing it. Another kind of project that you can get is to translate Japanese articles into English ones. Again, you can get up to $75 for every task completed. You can get your money through cryptocurrency and other currencies supported by the site. You will be paid through bank transfers, PayPals, Payoneers, and many other options. For example, this article is written in Hindi and you need to translate it into English. To do this, you just need to utilize Google Translate. The site will translate the articles for you and you will still get paid for it. You can even repeat the same process again and again to increase your earnings. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Google Translate. Then you need to choose the language used in your article on the left side of the screen. Meanwhile, the box on the right of the screen will show you the English translation of your article or document. The boxes on the screen are small. To make it bigger, you need to type translate.google.com on the search bar. Then press the first link on the Google result. You will get redirected to another page where you will have larger visuals of the translated document or article. When you already have a project from Latium, you can easily copy its content and paste it here. For example, you can copy this article by right-clicking your mouse and choosing the copy button. After that, you need to go back to Google Translate to paste the copied article. The Hindi language is recognized by Google Translate. Thus, it will be able to perform the required translation for this project. Once the article is fully translated, you need to copy its translation. To do this, simply press the copy button. Then you just need to open and start a new file where you can paste the copied translation. To start a new document, you just need to right-click on the file button. Then press select. After that, choose the document option. Once you have a document, you can easily paste the copied translation. You just need to do this process over and over again until you're able to cover the whole article. Copy some parts of the Hindu article and come back to Google Translation. After that, paste it on the site and wait until it gets translated. When the translation is done, copy the translated article and paste it on the document. You can submit the full document in the Latium site. Another approach that you can do is to translate the whole text in a snap. To do this, go to Google Translate and click the document button. After that, you can opt to browse your computer and find the document on it. Upload it so that the site could analyze and process the whole article. After that, it would instantly translate it into the language that you want. Once you are done, you can finally submit it to various jobs and projects on Latium. Again, you will get paid for translating articles on the internet. The amount that you can earn will vary depending on the language that they use. They pay less for Hindu articles. However, there are Spanish, German, Japanese, and other languages that pay more. You can actually earn more than $100 for translating certain articles. Just copy the content, paste it on Google Translate, and wait for it to be processed. Once you are done, you can copy the translated content and paste it on a document for you to submit. It is a very easy way to earn money online. Thus, everyone can earn from it as it is free and available worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Start your online money-making journey now. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.